Hello, I am Ashley with Rolling with the Ophils. I am back with another Paula Young wig review. For right now, she's in my comfort zone, so there you go. This particular one is Leighton, in color SF1228, which is, I believe, the buttered toast. No, honey. This is honey. I'll verify and put it in the comments, or put it in the description. But, alright, so, let's see. Y'all know my history, if you've seen my other videos, with curls. So, I'm a little nervous, but let's try it. So, okay. Alright, so we have the soft front here. We do have the extended nape, but it is not the soft all the way around, so we'll see about that. Open ear tabs, does have the Velcro closure. Alright, and I'll actually flip it inside out so you can see all of it. There you go. Okay, let's try it. I'm so nervous with my history with curls. I'm so nervous. Okay, where are we here? Okay. I can't see anything. All right. So at least she's a little more wavy than curly. But I have a very large patch of hair here sticking up and I cannot see at all. Okay. Apparently I'm missing something. Where's the part supposed to be? Is it part on this side? Is that why it's all crazy? Okay, it's wanting to part on this side. I still don't know how I feel about this over here. All right, it is wanting to part right here, and where it's kind of falling. Well, okay. So I'm just gonna spin around for you. You can see the side here. You can see the back, and there's decent movement. And then the other side. I'm not real sure what to say about this one. I have no words. It's cute on some. Okay. I'm just gonna pause this right here and collect my thoughts, and I'll be back in a minute. Okay, so I had to talk to my husband. He says I look like an actress, but he can't figure out which one. But he's with me. He doesn't like it. It doesn't look right on me. I don't know. I don't know what it is, but you can at least see this one on kind of a longer face. It's not the best. I don't like it. So yeah, that is going to be it. Oh my gosh, that is going to be it for this video. Because I've got to get this one off. But make sure you like and subscribe, especially if you want to see more horrible ones. So anyways, this, like I said, this is Leighton. Nothing against the wig itself. It's actually pretty comfortable. It just style-wise, it is absolutely positively not me at all. At all. So, make sure you like and subscribe and leave a comment letting me know what you think. And I will see you next time. Bye.